Hey everyone, so I'm going to try and make banana blossom fish and chips. They come in a can, so these are the ones I'm using. So it's really interesting, they have kind of the texture of fish, I guess, but they are like the banana flowers or blossoms that come off banana plants. So we'll see how this goes. Apparently it's pretty easy. I've had it at restaurants before. The texture's crazy, like you really have to try it. It's quite a lot like fish, but it doesn't have that fishy sea taste, obviously, because it's a banana blossom. I'll show you how this goes and yeah, try it out yourselves and let me know.